Welcome to MotoZone Official. This time, we will discuss about 7 best new hyper-naked motorcycles for 2026. One, 2026 Honda CB1000 Hornet. We begin with the 2026 Honda CB1000 Hornet, a motorcycle that represents Honda's mastery of balance and precision. The Hornet name returns stronger than ever, powered by a refined liter-class engine tuned for explosive mid-range performance rather than overwhelming top-end aggression. On the road, the CB1000 Hornet feels sharp, responsive, and confidence-inspiring, making it ideal for riders who want serious performance without sacrificing control. Its lightweight chassis and aggressive geometry allow it to change direction effortlessly, while modern electronics ensure that power is always delivered smoothly. Honda has created a hyper-naked that feels equally comfortable attacking mountain roads or handling everyday urban riding, proving once again that refinement can coexist with excitement. Two, 2026 Ducati Streetfighter V2 S. Next is the 2026 Ducati Streetfighter V2 S, a motorcycle that channels pure Italian aggression into a compact and highly focused package. This machine takes the raw energy of Ducati's racing DNA and strips it down to its most essential form. The V-twin engine delivers a punchy and emotional power band, producing instant throttle response and a thrilling exhaust note that defines Ducati's character. The Streetfighter V2 S feels razor-sharp in every situation, offering precise handling and exceptional feedback. Every ride feels intense and purposeful, making this motorcycle perfect for riders who want a naked bike that feels like a street-legal track weapon wrapped in unmistakable Italian design. Three, 2026 Triumph Speed Triple 1200 RX. Moving on, the 2026 Triumph Speed Triple 1200 RX continues Triumph's tradition of building some of the most charismatic naked motorcycles in the world. Powered by the iconic 3-cylinder engine, the Speed Triple delivers a unique blend of torque, top-end power, and an unmistakable exhaust sound. The RX version brings added refinement and performance-focused tuning, making it both thrilling and versatile. On twisty roads, the bike feels planted and aggressive while still offering enough comfort for longer rides. Triumph has carefully balanced performance and usability, creating a hyper-naked that feels alive at any speed and rewarding in every riding scenario. Four, 2026 BMW R1300R. Then we have the 2026 BMW R1300R, a motorcycle that takes a very different approach to the hyper-naked formula. Instead of chasing extreme aggression, BMW focuses on intelligent performance and long-distance capability without losing excitement. The new Boxer engine delivers strong torque across the rev range, providing effortless acceleration and smooth power delivery. The R1300R feels incredibly stable and composed, especially at high speeds, while advanced electronics adapt the ride to changing road conditions. This bike is built for riders who want performance with comfort, technology, and unmistakable German engineering precision, proving that hyper-naked bikes don't have to be uncomfortable to be thrilling. 2026 Triumph Speed Triple 1200 RS. The 2026 Triumph Speed Triple 1200 RS pushes the Speed Triple platform even further toward the performance edge. This is the most aggressive version of Triumph's flagship Naked, designed for riders who demand maximum feedback and responsiveness. Every element of the RS feels sharper, more focused, and more race-inspired. Throttle response is immediate. Handling is razor precise, and the riding position encourages an aggressive stance. This motorcycle thrives on fast roads and hard riding, rewarding experienced riders with an intense and deeply engaging experience that feels closer to a superbike than a traditional naked machine. Six, 2026 Kawasaki Z1100. Kawasaki enters the conversation with the 2026 Z1100, a motorcycle that proudly carries the Z Series legacy into a new era. Built to dominate the streets, the Z1100 delivers muscular power with a commanding presence. Its engine emphasizes strong torque and relentless acceleration, making every throttle twist feel exhilarating. The bike's aggressive styling and wide stance reinforce its street fighter identity, while modern rider aids ensure confidence even when pushing hard. The Z1100 is designed for riders who want raw street performance with a bold personality, making it one of the most intimidating and exciting hyper-nakeds of 2026. Seven, 2026 MV Agusta Brutale 1000 RR. Finally, we arrive at the 2026 MV Agusta Brutale 1000 RR, a motorcycle that exists at the intersection of art and engineering. This machine is pure emotion on two wheels, combining breathtaking Italian design with staggering performance. The four-cylinder engine delivers explosive acceleration and an unforgettable sound, while the chassis and suspension provide exceptional stability and control at high speeds. Riding the Brutale 1000 RR feels like piloting a race machine through city streets, demanding respect and rewarding skill. This motorcycle is not just about speed, but about passion, exclusivity, and the thrill of owning something truly extraordinary.